Yo, I have no clue. My live stream just closed and I
You're
was
not
there.
restart also.
We restarted whenever. I have no clue what happened. My live stream went down, so now we're back. We're back up and running. See, this is what we were expecting on gold. You see this level? The break of these wicks and continue down. It broke the wick, but it's now messing around. GJ reacting to the 800 level. It moves so clean through all the levels I marked. I could have bought GJ here. 350 pips up. Where would have been the best place to buy GJ, okay? Let's just take a look at this, okay? First change in market structure on the 4-hour time frame, right? We had our resistance, we had our support, we broke it firstly, came and retested the resistance and closed above this level. Let's see what happened then. Okay, so it was some kind of like resistance that was formed. How could we have taken this trade? So let's just say you took this trade break on this 1-hour closure, expectation to continue, right? And your stops are put to break even. You'd be 1,000 pips up now on GJ. How many days? What's the time frame? 1,025 pips up in 70 days, 17 days. Interesting. EJ. Guys, I'm so sorry. I have no clue why it went down. But yeah, it went down and now we're back up. If you're in the chat, let me know. Tango, what are you looking for, man? Tango, Kishore. Yeah, that would have been a beautiful trade on EJ. Alright, you're still there in gold. Alright. That's good.
And add it to your
Let's take a look at a few live streams.
Is that what you mean? Do you manage your trade in loss and close 50% whenever I manage the trade and close 50% in loss, price came back and go to TP because we always trade the trend and price follow the trend? I think it depends. Yeah, got magic keys on Sunday. Okay. So what you got to do over here is you've got to press FN. Yeah, so when you're in a trade and it's running, you press FN. And then when you've got FN, you can move it around. And then on the actual meta trade, it'll say partial stop loss activated or not activated. And then you press. You can see a percentage of what that would be. So you can change the percentages of it. So I'm moving to raw spread account now. It's a lot better for scalping. Yeah, for sure. So this question about 50% taken off and stuff, it all depends on the pair, the chart. So for example, right, gold is more of a pair where it'll move very, very quickly. It'll push. And if it just come into some sort of drawdown over here, then it's best to get out. You've seen Raja do this recently a lot, okay? Raja will just close a position when things are not looking too nice, okay? That is one thing to do on gold. Okay, however, for me, that's what I did today. So when this broke the low over here, if it exceeded its own high, I was going to take it off because it gave me a nicer stop, and we should theoretically drive down here and not exceed that high. It gave me an 18 pip stop instead of like a 33 pip. So that's how I managed that trade. On the basis of GJ, it would be if something like it'd be if a candle, or it depends, right? So
alright, GJ breaking previous 15-minute low.
That was 12 pips. So if you get a 50-minute closing against you, so maybe if you entered a trade like here and you got a 50-minute closing like this, if you're in profits, I'd have it break even. But for me, if you're in a drawdown over here, then I would just cut the whole thing off. However, if it was gold and the 30-minute was still in the end, and it's still 30-minute stop on me.
GU.
So it kind of depends.
GU still trying to drive down. GJ should be driving down, yeah.
GJ is especially if there's something that's closing against you, then take it off. So for runners here, got into a trade maybe there and you're holding the runners on. For me, I probably would have closed the full thing.
EJ rejection, breaking previous 15-minute low. GJ, GU has space to run down, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing. So after this move, would you guys actually be looking for another trade on GJ? Gypsy?
Again, but like we need to see proper market structure again, proper confirmations, all that. Because GJ's moved too much, I think it's going to range for a while.
Yeah, I probably want it to range for a while before I can get another trade.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's just leave it as it is then. Let's leave GJ as it is. And I'll be back in New York session. What's the time? 1 o'clock, 1:20 already. Let's see. Possibilities are endless on GJ, but yeah, right now you're really not looking at a counter trend trade, right? You don't want a counter trend trade, that's yeah. Have you seen the DJI M30 series? Gypsy.
Is it the new drone or what?
Yeah, the new drone.
Okay, yeah. Drones and all, no money yet.
I asked, have you seen it?
No, I've not seen it. I've seen only the Mavericks and
What's
the
this?
DJI Air, I think, dude. Too good.
What's this? Insanity.
How much?
Enough to make you cry. Enough to make a grown man cry.
Yeah. Checking the price and just what had happened on GJ and EJ. Yeah. Oh, many lenses, man. Oh, those are sensors. Never mind.
Yeah. You see that?
I want a drone though.
Yeah. But it's kinda sus, to be honest.
Heat signature. Oh my gosh.
Exactly. I really wouldn't be surprised if they start using these drones in war and all.
Yeah, like we use.
It's going to it's good. They're gonna start using Tony Stark technology. You can see like it's next level. It has everything. It sees everything. It knows everything. It's way too smart of a drone. It's too smart of a drone. Alright, if gold closes 15-minute bearish and the next 15 minutes starts driving down, I don't mind taking a sell down there. Yeah. Yo, Penuel, welcome back. What's up, guys? Yeah, that drone does look intense. What do you guys normally like? What are your hobbies, honestly? For me, mine's just cars, bikes, and yeah, I like gadgets. I like computing. I like high computing power for no reason at all, which you can see my PC. I don't use it really for much anyway. Archery. Damn, Mark, that is so cool. Oh yeah, that is. Oh, Mark, he goes camping and everything. That's so nice, Mark. Love your life. If we close above this level on GJ, could we have gadgets, guitar, artwork? Oh, dang, Penuel, that is crazy. I'm a guitarist, so yeah, I feel you. GJ, where can we take this? If the 15-minute closes above here, maybe. GU faked out hard. Is today one of those days where you can just buy GJ anywhere and it continues up, would be the question. I only wish I could play a musical instrument, Mark. Mark, why didn't you learn how to play an musical instrument? I'm a drummer, guitarist, and I play the piano too. Because music basically runs in my family. Yeah. And I have a friend who's also learning to play the keyboard, so too focused on sport. That is true, Mark. Which sport do you play, Mark? Is it are you just exclusively into archery, or do you play any other sport? Okay, gold coming down. Let's see this 30-minute candle. Can we have a 5-minute stop? To clear this range, right? 35 pip range. Aussie rules, football and archery. Ah, okay. Cricket and so on. Okay, that's awesome. I would say, okay, so let's look at this. Shall we look at the break of this 30 minutes own low, or are you all confident on the 15-minute flip? Sorry, the 30-minute flip. You know? $500. Input risk 1%. See 1 hour on gold. So we could expect to flip. So we got the 1 hour flip also. Let's see what happens. I feel like 500 is a good level to drive down to. Stop loss at break even over here. 30-minute flip, break the previous 30-minute low and stops the break even trigger. That looks pretty decent. GJ, we were waiting for this 15-minute to close to look at a trade, but I don't think GJ really cares about anyone today. Yeah, we're approaching a 4-hour resistance on GJ, so I'd say be careful. What did GJ do, honestly? Left everyone and just moved 200 pips. Alright, let's see gold. What are we planning to do on gold? We're flipping it. 30-minute time frame flip would be nice, because now we have a double rejection from this zone. Yeah, that'll be the 45-minute candle flip too. That'll be interesting. So wait for the next 15-minute candle to wake up, and then we can take it at the break of the 30-minute low at 250 250, 270 lana. But look at the way the 30-minute closed. We'll have to wait for this break of this low. I'm not feeling the volume on gold, to be honest. Yeah, break of this low should push gold back down. Gold soon 1929. Yup, possibility. So now we need gold to really push down. EJ closed above. That looks good on EJ. EJ 15-minute time frame looks really good. So if we flip this candle, we should be able to move up easily on EJ. But let's focus on gold now. If we break this previous 30-minute low, alright, let's see if we can break this low and continue down. We have this clean range coming down, so it shouldn't be hard really. Early time frame, just a clean move down. On the 1 hour, that's a new candle. And there's some weak market structure right there. You can take this based on the 45-minute time frame, but yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, it rejected that area twice on the 30-minute time frame, so this next one should actually break this low and continue down. It's just the market is probably lacking volume. What do you guys think? Will gold continue or not? Will gold continue or not? Mansa Musa says gold to 1929 soon. Sales, I guess you play Quidditch. Kishore Kumar, what do you think about gold now? Because you're holding those cells, right? Euro JPY pulling back. GJ pulling back. Can we get the move? Careful guys, if you all don't need this trade, don't take this trade. EJ coming back down, GJ coming back down, GBP USD finally getting that trend confirmation. Finally it didn't fake out and it's pushing. GBP USD is pushing, but gold USD is stagnant right now. Left clean traffic, so it will come down. Kishore Kumar. Alright guys, hit the live button so your chart, I mean the live stream is instant for you, at least almost instant with the lowest latency possible. Come on, let's break this previous low. Let's go. Yeah, the left does have clean traffic and we would expect sells, but yeah, anything can happen. Just waiting for it. Ben Nasser Sabri. What's up, Ben? We're waiting for gold to start breaking down, where we've drawn our zones 1935 to 1934. We've rejected the zones, so now we're actually expecting gold to slowly start breaking down. So we are looking to get in once we break the previous 30-minute candle wick. So that's my take on gold at the moment. Mm-hmm. 30-minute hide and break. Yep. So once we break the 30-minute low, we would consider this respecting the previous high and continuing with bearish market structure. But until then, we're still waiting. $19.33 flat once we break this level. Come on, let's go down, gold. If the volume kicks in on gold and we start breaking down, it'll be nice. So what we're gonna do is, you can use the 15-minute top wick if we break below this level as the stop. So that's a 20 pip stop, and we're expecting 30 pips to the downside. Around 18 pip stops right above this 5-minute candle, because I don't want even the 5-minute to start changing market structure. So let's wait. Not yet activated in. We're waiting for the 30-minute break of the low. Let's break the 30-minute low and activate. Your name is come on. Let's go. Once we cross this level, we should be in. EJ flipped. Holy, look at EJ. My bad. Look at EJ. GJ also is about to flip. Man, it's really strong right now. Yeah, so we're holding this level tight. I got tapped in. I got tapped in right over here. Man. When it went down, I think the spread took me in. But it's alright. Gold does look like it can still continue down, so let's see. Yeah, I'm holding stops at the previous 15-minute highs. So that's around 20 pips. As you see, this current 15-minute candle has no bottom wick, so I'd expect it to continue down. And I'd reduce my stops to this current 15-minute candle top wick. That should be around 10 pips. That's if I don't get stopped out, of course. It's respecting the previous 15-minute high, so we'd expect at least a continuation down. EJ, GJ. What is happening? They keep pushing and yeah. EJ flipped. Yep, EJ did flip. GJ also flipped and took off. Gold I'm still holding. We broke the previous 5-minute high. What about 10 pips down, but I yeah. Yeah, the 45-minute has no bottom wick though. I'm not sure. Is it gonna stop me out and then continue down? I think we should create a bottom wick on the 45-minute time frame, but yeah. Let's see what's popping. EJ with a banger move, GJ with a banger move, GU moving on up to this level right over here, 610. Not bad, GU is actually rejecting. Alright, let's see if we can flip gold bearish now. Could we get a nice move on gold? We're about minus 7-8 pips right now. Gold took me in prematurely, but it's fine. GJ still looks pretty decent. GJ is just moving today, honestly. I don't think anything's stopping GJ today. Alright. Now I will move my stops down. Gold started moving down slowly. Alright, let's go on to profits. The spread is just a little too big. Yeah. You can see gold volatility right now. Let's see if it can continue. Magic keys. Yeah, there you go. Gold coming back up. And I don't like that, to be honest. I'm gonna, if it comes back to entry, I'm gonna close most of it. Can it continue pushing down? Now I've reduced my stops to 10 pips. Above this candle, I'm closing half on gold. I closed half at 2 pips, minus 2 pips. And I'm holding another half with a 10 pip stop loss. There you go. That's my trade right now. So even if we lose this trade, we would have only lost 5 pips on our total trade. Alright, I'm out of this. There you go. Beautiful. Yeah, the only trade lost today was gold right over here. 5 pips on my total position. EJ with that candle flip and push up. Oh, is that move? Seriously. You're seeing what I'm seeing on EJ? GG. I think tomorrow is gonna be a lot more sober because of today. Yep, I think you're sure. I think the same. That right now there's some volume in the market. I'm not sure what it is. Is this guy talking right now? What's happening? Alright. You all know the vibe. You all have seen it. I will be back in the NY session. If you all took this gold trade and held stops above the 20 pip mark, you are now up more than 10 pips, about 15 pips if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Intense. Goals pushing now. Straight to TP. Gypsy, thoughts on gold?
Yeah, after taking a loss, only it'll move.
Tell me about it. That trade was so perfect. 30 pip banger, yo. Straight up. Yeah, spreads also are high on gold right now. GJ
Yeah.
moving, EJ moving, everything just doing its thing.
I got stopped out before the spread because of the spread, man. It didn't even hit my stop loss level.
Yeah, same. Gold spreads are very high, like they're 2 to 3 pip spreads. If we just held on to EJ, it would have been off 100 pips. But that is fine. First trade in. Anyway, let's come back NY session. Tons of trades to search for in the NY session, and I'm pretty sure that'll be a little cleaner. Do we have any news? 6 o'clock USD news, but that's barely, like, that's not very volatile news, so it's fine. Do we have anything else? These are all post New York session. We have, yeah, this should be good. Today we should be good. So I will be back here in the New York session, and I watched the whole thing. I kind of expected it like everybody else. I just watched the whole thing kinda expecting it like everybody else. Yeah, I feel like we took a really good trade and it's fine. We managed our risk and it pushed up to our stop loss and it continued down, unfortunately, but it's fine. It's good. This 5-minute candle closure and break of the low also should have been good, but yeah. Whatever you caught today, I hope you all had a good day. We shall come back in the New York session and expect some bangers for sure. But till then, I'ma see you guys. Take care, take it easy, lads. I'll see you guys in the NY session.